How to delete all photos except favorites from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. On this page, go to the Collections section at the bottom. Over here, scroll down and go to the Utilities section. From the list, find the Favorites album and tap on it. You can view all your favorite photos and videos over here. Go to the top right corner and tap on Select. Then, tap on Select All. After that, tap on the three dots above. Here, tap on Hide. Tap on Hide Photo again to confirm. Now, go back to your library and then tap on Select at the top right. Select the photos and videos you want to delete and then tap on the Delete icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on Delete Items again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete all photos except favorites from iPhone.